Hi there, this is Sin, and I'm back with the April Sew Sampler box. And I received it yesterday, but I didn't have time to unbox it yesterday. So here we go. As soon as we open it, we see that it says Second Birthday Bash Sew Sampler. And let's see. Okay, there's no coupon code, so I can show this to you. It says Barn Block Recipe Quilt Along. So that's interesting. Black and white, very modern, but it's an old style block. So that's really cute. So let's see what's inside. Right off, we see fabric. It says, hello, my name is Half Roll, Palm Canyon, Violet Craft. So it looks like some pastel acid green or green. So let's see. So you can see here, yellow, green, black and white, kind of a turquoisey, and some retro looking fabric. Okay. And oh, this is nice. It's a rotary blade refill. And this is the 45 millimeter. So this is nice, you know, since we use this all the time. It's good to have a backup. And I'm glad they're listening. I think we did say that we wanted something like this, which we always use over and over again. So that's nice that they put that in. This is a Barn Block fusible suede label, member exclusive. So that's really cute. It's a suede block. And this is Clover marbled glass head pins. So these are also nice. I love using glass pins so we can iron right over them. So I really like that. And these are really pretty. And Sew Sampler exclusive, the 54 degree 40 feet plus quilt template set. So it looks like it's a 3-piece acrylic set for making the Quilta-Breeze. So they're really nice and thick. So that's really nice. So we can just use the rotary cutter right around it. So that's really, I like that. So I think it's frosted on one side. Yep. So there's 3 of them. This template 3, 2, and 1. So like I said, they're really heavy acrylic, so I like that. It's not one of those flimsy plastic templates, so I like that I can do it and we can just rotary cut right around it. So it looks like it makes this star shape, which is nice. I like stars. And this is the Barn Block recipe. So I think this is the block of the month that since they just finished that the little miniature one, it looks like this is the next one. So this is block 1. So there'll be 11 more coming. And this is the quilt, the 5440 plus quilt. So this is what it looks like. They used gray as the background. I'd probably use a different color, but it's really nice. I like it. So there you go. That's the block quilt instructions. And this is to shop the collection. So it looks like this is what the fabric looks like. And second birthday celebration. Unwrap 6 amazing and exclusive offers just for you. So I'm not going to open it because I'm assuming, yeah, there's like codes in there. So this is nice that we have coupons to use. I did use my coupon last month for Bella Solid, so I'm really happy that I got that. So it says this box value is over $58. I paid $29 plus shipping. It's about maybe like $34. So we got the fabric, we got the templates, the marble glass pins. They don't tell us what is the MSRP anymore, so I'm not sure how much they cost. MSRP is manufacturer's suggested retail price. and that's the blade. And on the other side we have that little suede, fusible suede label. That's really cute. I like that. The pattern and the block recipe number 1. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this. And I'm still happy with the Fat Quarter Shop and all of their offerings. So I will be continuing my Sew Sampler. I know that a lot of you were not happy with the last or the Nest box, but I really like it. I enjoy it. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing, and I'll see you later. Bye!